There has been a long-felt demand and need to have an IIT in the state of Karnataka. This demand matched with the policy of the Government of India when a bill was passed as an Act of Parliament to establish 6 new IITs in the year 2014-15. After considerable discussions and site visits, Dharwad city was selected to locate IIT for various reasons. IIT Dharwad is located in Chikkamalligewada, which is about 15 kilometers from city center. Dharwad is best known as the educational hub and is popularly known as Vidya Kashi. IIT Dharwad Permanent Campus is located about 3.5 kilometers from the National Highway connecting Pune and Bengaluru. The Government of Karnataka facilitated this by providing a 30-meter wide 4-lane road with service lanes connecting IIT and the highway, which provides beautiful majestic look with lush green plantation. The master plan of the campus was designed considering locally relevant architecture and construction and provision for use of smart technologies while maintaining eco-friendly and sustainable environment. The theme of the master plan is sustainable, green and smart campus. Inspired by the origins of Hubli Dharwad as the Dwar city to the Western Ghats and vast sea beyond. The design envisions the campus as gateway to knowledge, integrating the natural features and valleys. The key features of the master plan design are efficient water management, efficient energy management, including use of renewable energy, SCADA system and the building management system. Using of existing water bodies in the form of lakes and swales, improved indoor air quality and better human comfort. The work of IIT Dharwad was recognized by the Griha Council, Government of India, by giving the first runners-up award for the best passive architectural design in the year 2021 and under the large development 5-star rating, the best master plan in the year 2022. Under the Phase 1A, 18 buildings and facilities have been planned for about 1,70,000 square meter area for an approved project cost of Rs 851.88 crores. The construction work was started on 21st May 2020. We believe that the above features and facilities of academic environment and living ambience will take IIT Dharwad to excellence and greater relevance, meeting its vision, mission and goals. The challenges of different COVID-19 waves and unseasonal as well as extended monsoon notwithstanding, the project is being completed in good time.
फरवरी 2019 में मैंने इस आधुनिक इंस्टीट्यूट का शिलान्यास किया था। बीच में कोरोना काल था, काम करने में अनेक दिक्कतें थी, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी मुझे खुशी है कि 4 साल के भीतर IIT धारवाड़ आज एक फ्यूचरिस्टिक इंस्टीट्यूट के रूप में तैयार हो चुका है।
Today, on 12th March 2023, history is being scripted through the inauguration and dedication of IIT Dharwad campus to the nation by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
साथियों, आज धारवाड़ में IIT के नए कैंपस की दोहरी खुशी है। IIT का ये नया कैंपस कर्नाटका की विकास यात्रा में नया अध्याय लिख रहा है। एक इंस्टीट्यूट के रूप में यहाँ की हाई टेक फैसिलिटीज IIT धारवाड़ को वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूट के बराबर पहुंचने की प्रेरणा देंगे।
The long dream of Kannadigas of having Indian Institute of Technology in Karnataka is being fulfilled today, which is the happiest moment for all Kannadigas. The site is surrounded by forests, lush green plantations, and the small industries. The locals have plenty of opportunities to pursue better professions, upgrade educational qualifications, capacity building, entrepreneurship, etc. This can bring qualitative improvement in living standards and generate competent professionals and providing them better opportunities. We are extremely grateful to our Honorable Minister of Parliamentary Affairs and Coal Mines, Shri Prahlad Joshi, who in fact is one of the responsible persons to bring IIT to Dharwad and also contribute in the selection of the site. IIT Dharwad has been functioning since July 2016 from a transit campus located about 4 kilometers from the permanent campus. The current student strength of the institute, including the UG and PG, is 856. 2 students have been awarded with the prestigious Prime Minister's Research Fellowship, PMRF. The institute has to its credit over 400 publications. The institute has around rupees 28 crores worth of sponsored and consultancy projects. One such program is the establishment of Global Center on Excellence in Affordable and Clean Energy in collaboration with Honeywell and Selco Foundation. There are several such prestigious programs taken up by IIT Dharwad. A team from IIT Dharwad secured 3rd prize in the Embedded Security Challenge.